So here is the biggest container. Should be really easy to go on. So it'll snap on the two short sides. Oh. But not on the long sides. And actually, looks like it's not even snapping on both sides of the short one. Yeah, so pointless. Should not be that hard. Should not be that hard.
Also very great for soaking your vegetables before you cook them to make sure they're nice and clean. So right now I'm doing my 5-minute soak. So see, there's a ton of potatoes in there, a whole bag of carrots. This would be great for blueberries, and this you could probably fit 2 or maybe even 3 apples in it. And then there is the seal in here that makes it watertight, and these standard 4 clips, which is kind of what everybody seems to be using now. Absolutely great. Dishwasher safe. I've already washed them before.